China just allowed only Ripple XRP minus $65,000 is coming. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. According to Ripple's General Counsel Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's defense against the SEC lawsuit may be the best chance for the cryptocurrency to achieve regulatory clarity. At the moment, Ripple has incurred more than $100 million in legal costs in its defense in the ongoing lawsuit against the SEC. Thanks at Nikki Christoph for having me. Was great chatting with you on the generational changing promise of blockchain and crypto technology, all things at Ripple, the need for greater regulatory clarity, and even Beanie Babies. Alderoty has often spoken about what he calls the abuse of authority by the SEC, stating that SEC Chairman Gary Gensler took an aggressive regulatory stance instead of cooperating with other regulators. Alderoty also stated that the regulator wants to leave consumers to hold the bag, holding the bag, which in English means to abandon someone, make someone bear responsibility or blame, and not protect them. Gensler, who was confirmed as the new SEC chairman in April, often states that he believes that the vast majority of cryptocurrencies are securities. The SEC chairman recently reiterated his position in the Squawk Box on CNBC, saying, "The law is clear about this. I believe, based on the facts and circumstances, that most of these tokens are securities." Gensler further added, "When a group of entrepreneurs collects money from the population and counts on profit, they need disclosure of information. The law is clear on this. I believe based on the facts and circumstances most of these tokens are securities," says SEC Chair Gary Gensler on #crypto. When a group of entrepreneurs is raising money from the public and they're anticipating a profit, they need disclosure. Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's general counsel, criticized the SEC chairman after the latter distorted information that a Supreme Court review should determine whether a token is an unregistered security. In recent court moves, Ripple has responded to attempts by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to prevent the two firms from filing brief reports on the case. The Securities and Exchange Commission has asked District Judge Annalisa Torres to reject Tapjets Inc. and iRemit Inc.'s requests to submit summaries in support of Ripple. In a recent tweet, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, expressed his outrage at the growing number of fraudulent bots on the popular platform. In addition, he can't believe that he still needs to report his copycats to the Twitter support service. He added that there are many verified fraudulent accounts on Twitter. These fraudulent accounts use the name of Garlinghouse, Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, and Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance, to write fraudulent cryptocurrency tweets. The CEO of Ripple is still waiting for some action, while a huge number of fraudulent accounts are using the platform. He also shared the email he received from Twitter. It mentions that a registered account does not indicate a violation of their identification policy. These fraudulent crypto accounts and Twitter bot responses have been noted by some crypto analysts and experts. These accounts posed as Binance CEOs and sent spam on Twitter, while Garlinghouse's image and name are used to distribute fake XRP tokens. Twitter, the social media giant, is embroiled in a lawsuit against Elon Musk over the rejection of a $44 billion acquisition deal. The richest man in the world claims that the social network provided inaccurate data on Twitter bots. It mentions that there are many more fake accounts running on the platform than the company estimates. Unexpectedly for everyone, Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission publicly filed petitions for summary trial over the weekend, although they were expected only today, September 19, 2022. Breaking. Ripple Labs, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson file motion for summary judgment seeking judgment as a matter of breaking. SEC files motion for summary judgment. The parties filed the petition separately in the Southern District of New York. The SEC built its argument on the premise that buying XRP in a joint venture makes the cryptocurrency an investment contract, that is, a security that should be regulated by U.S. securities laws. In addition, the SEC claimed that Ripple lured many investors to buy XRP, making them believe that they would make huge profits in the future, thereby implying that the cryptocurrency is a security. On the contrary, the defendants, Ripple, Chris Larsen and Brad Garlinghouse, said that regulators could not prove that investors bought XRP, relying on the company to help them make a profit, since there was no agreement. According to Ripple's lawyers, token holders usually profit from the asset due to the forces of supply and demand. Based on this, XRP holders have no right to claim profits from Ripple. In addition, they cannot accuse the company of any violation if it does not profit from XRP, Ripple added. Ripple executives and observers of the case have already expressed their opinion on the petitions filed. According to Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, it is obvious that the SEC is not interested in applying the law in this case, adding, they want to redo everything in an unacceptable attempt to expand their jurisdiction far beyond the powers granted to them by Congress. Today's filings make it clear the SEC isn't interested in applying the law. They want to remake it all in an impermissible effort to expand their jurisdiction far beyond the authority granted to them by Congress. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty also commented on the developments, saying that the SEC has not yet identified any investment contracts after 2 years of litigation. The SEC cannot satisfy a single point of the Supreme Court's Howey test. Everything else is just noise, Alderoty added. The day is finally here. Our motion for summary judgment is public. You can view it here. Similarly, attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner at the law firm Hogan Hogan, said that the Securities and Exchange Commission is now in big trouble after a recently filed motion for summary judgment. I just read the summaries, and the SEC has a couple of big problems. 1. Her expert agrees that most of the changes in the price of XRP are due to market forces, not Ripple. The Securities and Exchange Commission has failed to record that any of the XRP buyers have heard Ripple's alleged marketing pitch, a big problem because it has the burden of proving everything here. Video tomorrow. I just read the briefs and the SEC has got a couple big problems. 1. Its expert agrees that most of the changes in XRP price are due to market forces and not Ripple. Ouch. These types of concessions are perfect for summary judgment. Next court dates. Ripple has almost a month to file an objection to this set of petitions, and it is expected that the summaries of objections will arrive by October 18th. It is expected that the answers to them will be received by November 15th, by which time all the briefings will be completed, and the judge will wait for the final decision of Torres. James K. Phelan predicts that on March 31, 2023 or earlier, Judge Torres will simultaneously make a decision on the petitions of experts in the decision in summary proceedings. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.